Hello and welcome to Start of This classes. Today we are going to solve one question from syllogism. This is a portion from reasoning ability. As we know that reasoning is one of the most important portion in any competitive examination, and it is most hardest one also, as it contains the most conceptual complexity in it, and the only way to score high in this portion is to rigorous practice. Okay. In syllogism, in this type of questions, we are given some statements followed by some conclusions. Okay, and the statements may or may not be from real facts. Maybe they are at a variance from commonly known facts. But we are to read all the conclusions and then decide which of the given conclusions logically follow from the given statements. It is regarding commonly known facts. Okay, so let's start with the question. All chilies are garlics, some garlics are onions, all onions are potatoes, and no potatoes is ginger. We have to solve this question using a Venn diagram. So first of all, we draw the different Venn diagram, draw the corresponding Venn diagrams corresponding to the four statements. So first of all, we are given that all chilies are garlics. Suppose this is the set of chilies and this is the set of garlic. Then we are given that some garlics are onions and all onions are potatoes. Okay. So this is the set of onion and this is the set of potato. And lastly, no potato is ginger. So this is the set of ginger. Okay. Now let's see the conclusions. The conclusion 1 says that no onion is ginger. As we can see from the Venn diagram that we have already drawn, that this is the set of ginger and this is the set of onion, and we can see that no onion is ginger is true. Therefore, the conclusion 1 follows. Now let's see the next one. At least some garlics are potatoes. This is the garlic set and this is the potato set, and we can say that at least some garlics are potatoes, as there is an intersection between these two sets. At least some garlics are potatoes. Therefore, we can say that the second conclusion follows. Now let's see the third one. Some chilies are definitely potatoes. As we can see from this picture, this is the chili set and this is the potato set, and there is no such definiteness with respect to the intersection between these two sets. So we cannot say that some chilies are definitely potatoes. Okay. So the third statement doesn't follow. Hence, the third option is true, that is 1 and 2 follows. So we have solved the question, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about syllogism, you can join our classes. And feel free to WhatsApp us in these two numbers, 9836793076 and 9874822756. For further details, you can check our website also. Thank you.